try and keep the garage cleaned up and the workshops cleaned up, but you know, projects are projects, and I end up with 4 or 5 of them going at one time, and they tend to pile up on me. But today I'm going through and seeing if I can't knock off some of these things and get them out of the way. So I'm just kind of rushing through this first part. Not real interesting, but I thought you'd kind of like to see what's passing in front of the lens as we're doing all this cleanup. This is part of the equipment that came with the forge. I think the guy had intended to connect this to the forge and use it as a blower. Let's see, this thing goes together like this. That's how it works. So my intention is to just sell it on eBay because I really have no use for it. It's taking up space that I don't have. Doesn't advance any of the projects I'm working on. Might as well send it on to a new home. Yeah, a nice little clamp there that holds that piece of ducting on. I don't know what the ducting's for. Probably came out of a machine, but it's got quite a nice fan to it. It's probably a pretty good sized blower. But like I said, I have little or no use for it. And it would take some fixing to make it operate. That's that fan wheel in there rubbing against the volute. The volute is a snail shell thing. Everything's got a fancy name. People use fancy names just to confuse the people who they're talking to. Makes them sound like they know more than what they know. It's pump housing. Volute.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.